Throughout the generations, the name Hershey has become a well-known and respected brand associated with high-quality chocolate products, both nationally and internationally. At the forefront of it all was Milton S. Hershey, a man who preferred to let his achievements and creations do the talking. The incredible story of Milton Hershey's rise from modest origins to becoming the iconic figure in the chocolate industry is truly awe-inspiring. Through countless obstacles and heartaches, he never gave up and eventually created a business that completely transformed the chocolate industry. From humble beginnings and a childhood marked by financial uncertainty, Hershey quickly grasped the importance of perseverance and a strong work ethic. Milton Hershey was born into a family with Fanny and Henry Hershey as his parents. Under the guidance of his mother, he was brought up in the unwavering principles of the Mennonite faith. His education was limited due to frequent family moves that constantly disrupted his schooling. His education ended after the 4th grade. After completing a 4-year apprenticeship with a candy maker in Lancaster, he went on to start his own candy-making business in Philadelphia. His first endeavor proved unsuccessful, just like his following 2 tries in Chicago and New York. In 1883, Hershey made his way back to Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and found the Lancaster Caramel Company. This venture proved to be a remarkable triumph, gaining rapid recognition and success. That particular venture solidified his reputation as a confectioner and paved the way for future triumphs. Through his journey of working in different occupations, from apprenticing at a newspaper to later honing his skills at a confectionery, he gained a wealth of expertise and insights in the art of candy making. Hershey embarked on a daring venture, opening his inaugural candy shop, yet faced numerous obstacles along the way. Despite experiencing initial success, he encountered multiple instances of financial hardship, yet each setback only intensified his unwavering determination to achieve success. Through a series of trials and errors, he embarked on a journey of discovery. It was in the realm of caramels that he stumbled upon his true calling, setting the stage for his triumphant rise in the world of chocolate. Hershey was captivated by the German chocolate-making machinery showcased at the 1893 World's Columbian Exposition. With the purchase of the necessary equipment, he embarked on a journey to establish his Lancaster plant, where he would bring to life an assortment of delectable chocolate creations. In the year 1900, Hershey made the decision to sell the Lancaster Caramel Company for a staggering $1 million. This move allowed him to fully focus on his chocolate business, a venture that would soon become his sole priority. After a span of 3 years, he made his way back to Dairy Church with the intention of constructing a brand new factory. In that place, he found a source of abundant fresh milk, essential for creating and manufacturing exquisite milk chocolate. Everything changed when Hershey made his way to the Columbian Exposition in Chicago. It was there that he saw firsthand the incredible possibilities of producing chocolate on a massive scale. Seizing the perfect opportunity, he made a wise investment in state-of-the-art machinery and dedicated himself to perfecting his milk chocolate recipe. This would prove to be the foundation of his thriving business. Intrigued by the allure of milk chocolate, which was considered a luxurious delicacy from Switzerland back then, Milton Hershey set out on a mission to create his own recipe for milk chocolate, introduce it to the market, and make it available to the American public. After countless attempts, he finally perfected his recipe for milk chocolate. In 1903, the construction of what would eventually become the largest chocolate manufacturing plant in the world began. In 1905, a state-of-the-art facility was constructed with the purpose of producing chocolate using cutting-edge mass production methods. Hershey's milk chocolate swiftly emerged as the inaugural product of its kind to be marketed nationwide. Milton Hershey's achievements were accompanied by a deep commitment to doing good and taking care of others. His aspirations extended beyond the realm of chocolate production. Hershey had a grand vision for a brand new community that would revolve around his factory. He created a miniature town for his workers, complete with cozy residences, an affordable public transportation network, excellent schools, and a wide range of recreational and cultural activities. In a departure from his contemporaries, Hershey chose not to construct a generic company town filled with identical row houses. He longed for an authentic hometown experience, complete with picturesque streets adorned with trees, charming brick houses that housed both single and two families, and meticulously maintained lawns. In his quest to ensure ample recreation and diversion, he embarked on a remarkable endeavor. On that fateful day of May 30th, 1906, a park emerged, marking the beginning of a rapid expansion that would unfold in the years to come. During the Great Depression, a remarkable array of structures emerged in the town thanks to Milton Hershey's visionary Great Building Campaign. This ambitious endeavor not only left a lasting architectural legacy, but also served as a means to create employment opportunities for the community. At that moment, grand structures like the Hotel Hershey, Community Center, Theater, Sports Arena, and Stadium emerged. completely reshaping the town into a prominent tourist destination that gains more and more popularity with each passing year. Milton Hershey's remarkable achievements in business enabled him to engage in a wide range of charitable endeavors. In 1909, a couple faced a heartbreaking reality of being unable to have children. However, they turned this adversity into an opportunity to make a difference. They decided to establish a school for orphan boys, which has now become widely recognized as the Milton Hershey School. In 1918, 3 years after Catherine's untimely passing, Milton Hershey generously bestowed the school with his entire fortune of Hershey Chocolate Company stock. He reveled in the flourishing of the school, the town, and his business. Throughout his lifetime, he consistently prioritized the excellence of his product and the welfare of his employees over financial gains. Hershey's empire expanded far beyond chocolate production, thanks to their unwavering commitment to quality, affordability, and innovation. He crafted an entire town, Hershey, Pennsylvania, offering residences, educational institutions, and job prospects for his employees. Through his philanthropic efforts, such as the creation of the Milton Hershey School for Boys Without Parents, he demonstrated his dedication to supporting the community. Amidst personal hardships, such as the heart-wrenching departure of dear ones and battles with health, Hershey's remarkable legacy lives on through his company, which continues to reign as a prominent force in the world of chocolate. His unwavering commitment to excellence and his ability to persevere through challenges serve as a timeless source of inspiration for both aspiring entrepreneurs and chocolate enthusiasts. The legacy of Hershey continued to thrive long after his passing. The Hershey Company forged ahead, experiencing steady growth and pushing the boundaries of innovation. It expanded its product line and extended its market reach, solidifying its position as a leader in the industry. With a fresh leader at the helm, the company stayed true to Hershey's dedication to excellence and the local community, preserving his original vision. Over time, the Hershey Company has consistently embraced innovation and adjusted to evolving consumer preferences and market trends. With its constant innovation and global expansion, the company has maintained its position as a powerful player in the chocolate industry. In addition, Hershey's commitment to giving back has stood the test of time, as evidenced by the ongoing impact of the Milton Hershey School in providing education and assistance to disadvantaged children. The Hershey Trust, established by Hershey himself, remains dedicated to overseeing the school and upholding his commitment to giving back to the community, which has always been a fundamental aspect of the company's values. Ultimately, after Milton Hershey's death in 1945, at the age of 88, his extraordinary legacy has persevered and thrived in the midst of a constantly changing world. Currently, the Milton Hershey School, founded by Milton Hershey and his wife, offers care and assistance to more than 2,000 boys and girls in grades K through 12 who come from economically disadvantaged backgrounds. The school and the Hershey philanthropy are flourishing, all thanks to the assets of the Milton Hershey School Trust. The trust benefits greatly from the profits generated by the Hershey Company and Hershey Entertainment and Resorts Company. The tale of Milton Hershey goes beyond the mere construction of a chocolate empire. It serves as a powerful testament to the lasting impact of passion, vision, and generosity. His lasting influence on the chocolate industry, education, and community development is still evident today, cementing the name Hershey as a symbol of excellence, creativity, and the joy of living. His actions stand as a testament to his legacy. We find inspiration in his life.